Hello guys, this is ZHK Master. In this video I am gonna teach you how can you increase the RAM of your PC without installing a new RAM. This method is very much simple. You don't need to make changes in hardware at all. We shall go through software to increase RAM. Basically this is not any magic, but a feature of Windows through which we can increase our RAM as per requirement. So let's move to the point. Firstly we try to understand that what is RAM. Basically RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It stores data temporarily. It vanishes out all data when we exit a program or we turn off PC, unless it is saved to hard disk. Hard disk can also act as a RAM. You got shocked? Don't worry, I shall help you understand this. Basically virtual RAM doesn't work as fast as installed RAM, but something is better than nothing. Virtual RAM takes care of your pocket because it is free of cost. So let's see how can we increase the RAM of PC. Firstly we shall click on My PC. Here we shall make a right click and open the properties of the system. Now we shall click on the Advanced System Settings. Here, in Performance option we shall click on Settings option. Again we shall click on Advanced. Here we see an option of Virtual Memory. So what is basically virtual memory or virtual RAM? Basically virtual RAM is the memory of hard disk, which we declare as a RAM. It means that hard disk acts as RAM, as much RAM as we set. So we shall click on Change, and remove Tick from Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Actually virtual RAM is set to auto by default, but we can change it as per requirement. Now we shall select any drive for virtual memory. We shall click on Custom Size and set initial size, and maximum size, as per requirement. After setting RAM as per requirement, we have to click on Set and then OK. Now we have to click on Apply. It will start working after restart. Note that this is not gonna increase the installed RAM. It just acts as virtual RAM. Let's see. In Properties of Computer, we can see that installed RAM is still as it was. But it changes the amount of RAM in actual. So question is it actually working or not? Let's see. Open CMD prompt by pressing Windows logo button and R button at same time. Type CMD prompt and press enter. Here write dxdiag and press enter. Dxdiag command is used to see all the details about your PC. Here you can see the amount of paged file. Because I have not restarted my PC after setting up virtual RAM, therefore it has still not taken effect and it is showing the amount of RAM as was automatically managed. Basically paged file is also known as virtual RAM. So it means that our virtual RAM is actually in use. I hope my point is clear to everyone. If there is any problem, please write in your comment. Your suggestions shall be entertained. Please subscribe our channel to stay connected to us and hit bell icon to get notified at every upload of new video by Global Village. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and share this video. Thanks.